So as you know that the One UI 8.5 update is now on the line for the Galaxy users, but there are some features and changes that look alike a lot to the iOS features. So today in this video I will show you some of the things that are quite similar to what we get in iOS. Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all feeling well. So as you know that the One UI 8.5 beta 4 update is now rolling out for the Galaxy S25 users. But also keep in mind that it is only available to some certain regions only. So in the One UI 8.5 update, you will get to see a lot of UI changes, and most of these looks alike iOS 26 update. The first up, you will get to see this pill-like option of search bar in almost every app, and it looks a lot of inspired than iOS. And secondly, in the clock application, you will get to see again this pill-like menu, and similar thing is seen in the iOS 26 clock option as well. And I really like this new update. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. And if you talk about the browser app, so in the browser app, you will also get to see this pill-like menu available in the bottom. Similarly, in Safari, you get to see this pill-like menu option in the bottom as well. And not only that, you can also get to see the glass-like icons from the good lock by going into the effects, and from here tap on glass. And there are also rumors that you will get to see this search menu changed a bit in the upcoming updates of the One UI 8.5. So in almost every menu option in the settings or in the clock application, you will get to see this pill-like integration similar to what you see in the iOS 26. Talking about the further changes, so in the control panel you will get to see some more customizations available. You can customize the control panel more the way you like it. And not only that, you will get to see some other features also, like photo assist, quick share assist, and multiple other features will be available. If you talk about the voice recorder app, so this is how the voice recorder app will look like with the One UI 8.5 update. If you talk about the release date, so the One UI 8.5 update will be released with the Galaxy S26 series, and which will be launched in the month of Feb or in the month of March. And then after a few weeks, you will get to see this update on your Galaxy S25 series. Then you will get to see this update on the S24, and likewise on the other Galaxy phones. And that's a wrap for today's video. Let me know your thoughts on this pill-like integration in the comment section below. That looks inspired from the iOS 26 if you ask me. So I really like this new interface with the One UI 8.5 update. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.